And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. I'm going to go ahead and do this video real quick. I don't have the tripod or anything, but I'm going to go ahead and unbox this phone I picked off of eBay. It was like right at $6 or something like that. So I don't have the tripod right there or anything. I'm just going to do this just real quick. Let me set you down. There it is. I bought it from the typical seller I've been using for a while now. It's You Sell to Us. This is another Motorola Krzr K1M with unknown carrier, untested, but it's all black. So there's the name. You Sell to Us. So here it is. I did buy this other black one from them not that long ago, and I swapped out the Alto board in it. And the frame's in really good shape, so that one came out pretty good. So I went ahead and picked up another one. As you can see, this one's in about the same shape. Very little scratches. I'm packing all my stuff up, guys, as you can see. So, like I said, I plan on moving. So, kind of everything's out of order. Actually, I still got the phones out from when I did the video on the updates. Can't get this back off real quick. Let me try it. There we go. So there's the information on it. Krzr K1M. Let's go ahead and do a quick test of it since I got this other one right here. Usually these are unbranded carriers. I'm pretty sure they're like a refurbished phone, but they're really good. Being refurbished like these ones. This one's pretty in decent shape. It doesn't feel like a refurbishing. It feels really good. The build quality seems pretty decent. So I think I'm going to put the Verizon board in this one maybe. Or I've been thinking maybe the Sprint one. Yeah, it looks like it's a generic board, so it doesn't actually have a carrier splash screen or anything, just the Motorola one. Actually, it just says Motorola on the back. Usually a carrier version will be US Cellular, Sprint, Verizon, Alltel, Boost Mobile as well. So, but it seems to work just fine. Like I said, this was the same thing as the last one I got. Everything seems to work just fine. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.